Another great video. As you can see from the title of the video, I am making some fresh fried cabbage, but I'm gonna add a little something to it this time. But what you see in the pan, I've already chopped up the cabbage. I put the turkey sausage in there, and also I'm doing some potatoes this time, y'all. Something different. I want to add a little bit more heartiness to it, and I felt like the fried potatoes would be, the potatoes in here would be good in this fried cabbage. So what I'm going to do is going to put my seasoning in it. So I'm going to use some seasoning salt. I am going to use some of this garlic and herb seasoning, garlic salt, mint garlic, garlic powder, onion powder, and also one of these from, if you could see, Knorr. This is the chicken flavor. Really, actually, one of these will flavor the whole pan, but I wanted to add a little bit more of some different type of seasoning to add with it. But you use 1 cube of these in your food like this, I promise you, it is the bomb. It is the bomb, and it flavors. It's so much flavor in this little cube right here. It don't even make no sense, for real. You can drop this in anything. You can drop it with your steaks when you're frying your steaks or baking your steaks, chicken, whatever you cook, and put a cube of this in there, chicken flavor or beef flavor, and I promise you, you're gonna be like, yeah, that's what's up. And so now I'm gonna add a little oil in this and some water and get it to cook. Let it simmer down, let the potatoes cook, the smoked sausage cook, and all of it all together, and it's gonna be good to go. And I'm gonna also add a little pepper to this also. Where is my pepper? Let me find it. I don't know where my pepper is, but I'm gonna add pepper into this also. So I'll be back in just a little bit to show y'all once it is cooked and simmered down and ready to eat. It is officially done. Yes, as you can tell, it has simmered down. The potatoes are ready to roll. They're good and soft. They're breaking up and stuff. So it lets me know they are done and cooked thoroughly through. Smoked sausages are done. And it's about time to eat now. Shoot, I'm going to go ahead and put some on a plate and grab me probably a piece of toast or something with some butter on it, because I forgot all about the cornbread. But yeah, until then, I'll see y'all some other time. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe, hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload, and continue to watch. Thanks.